10 signs of cancer mostly ignored by women. If you're new here, welcome to the strongest family on YouTube. We're glad that you're here. A woman's body is constantly changing. The more she ages, the more her body changes. Unfortunately, some changes that women experience may seem normal, but in reality, they're not. In most cases, these changes can be symptoms and signs of cancers. Because of this, a woman needs to monitor the changes that her body is going through. The human body has a way of informing us when something is wrong. We are all familiar with our body. That is why when we notice any change, we should all be on guard and take the required steps to make sure that nothing is wrong with our health. In today's video, we will be discussing the 10 common cancer signs that are mostly ignored by most women. Before we continue, please take some seconds to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first person to know when we post new videos. 10 cancer symptoms for women. 1. Bloating. As a woman, you probably know that you bloat a lot while you are on your period or after consuming a carb-heavy meal. However, consult your physician if the bloating doesn't end and result in weight loss or bleeding. Regular bloating can be one of the common cancer signs that most women ignore. It could be colon cancer, ovarian cancer, or even pancreatic cancer. Never disregard any unusual changes that you notice in your body. 2. Changes in the breasts. In most cases, a lump on the breast doesn't mean cancer. But if you notice any lump on your breast, it is advisable to consult a doctor. Also, if you notice any discharge on your nipples turning inward, redness, or scaling on your nipples, be sure to inform your doctor about this. Be sure to go for yearly checkups at your doctor for a complete body examination. This will ensure that your health is in good condition. 3. Unexpected weight loss. Many women wish they could lose weight magically. But if you notice that you're losing weight without any extra exercise or a change in diet, something might be seriously wrong. In most instances, stress can be the cause of unexpected weight loss. However, there are times that either colon or pancreatic cancer causes it. If you notice that you haven't changed your diet or exercise regimen, but you're still losing weight, it may be time to visit a medical clinic to rule out the potential for cancer or any other illness. 4. Bleeding between periods. If you're continuously spotting between periods, go speak to your doctor. Different things may cause any bleeding that isn't part of your menstrual cycle. Your doctor may need to rule out endometrial cancer, so be sure to notice any form of changes in your menstrual cycle. 5. Blood in the urine or stool. In most cases, blood in the stool is caused by hemorrhoids. But it can also be a sign of colon cancer. If you notice that you are bleeding from an area that doesn't usually bleed, see your doctor. Especially if this bleeding lasts for more than 2 days. 6. Changes in the nails. A little brown vertical stripe in any of your toenails might be a sign of melanoma, which is a type of skin cancer. If you notice any striking changes to your toenails, you might want to contact your doctor to ensure that it may not be a sign of melanoma. 7. Difficulty swallowing. It's natural to have difficulty swallowing most times. However, if it frequently happens combined with vomiting and weight loss, you may have throat or stomach cancer. If these symptoms don't end in a few weeks, you should visit a doctor to be examined appropriately. 8. Heartburn. Heartburn can result from excessive food or consumption of alcohol. It usually goes away with time and rest. However, if the heartburn doesn't go away or get worse, it could be ovaries or throat cancer. 9. Fever. When people develop the flu, they usually have a fever that will last a couple of days. But a fever that doesn't subside can mean a lot of things. Leukemia and other blood cancers can be the reason for the fever. If you are experiencing fever and cannot determine its cause, visit the hospital to determine what may be causing it. 10. A cough. Most people who develop a cough will see it vanish within few weeks. Any cough that lasts for more than a month should not be ignored. A cough is the most common sign of cancer. If you notice that you have a cough that has prolonged and have ruled out a cold or any other illness, try by reducing the number of cigarettes you smoke daily if you smoke and see a doctor to determine what is causing the cough. Now that you are aware of some of the common cancer signs that women ignore, be sure to consistently keep your health in check and contact your doctor if you notice any changes in your health. If you notice that you are experiencing any symptoms that we've talked about in this video, don't panic. Likely, you don't have cancer. However, it is best to take appropriate action if you notice any lingering, unusual symptoms. Before changing your lifestyle and diet, be sure to visit a medical professional. Never take your health for granted. What will you suggest women do to maintain a healthy lifestyle? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for more videos like this.